Drip irrigation can help you save money, effort and time. It is also easy to install and your plant will sure get the water they need. This is the main tubing that you can use from the faucet going to your plant. I like to use a big tubing, so there will be enough water even if you will connect a lot of drips. I use water splitter to connect the main tubing with the faucet. I use splitters so I can water all my plants around the house. I then connected a 1/2-inch drip irrigation tubing to faucet adapter. I cut a little bit of the 1/2-inch tubing and connected it to a Barb elbow 90-degree fitting. If you don't want to connect with a Barb elbow 90-degree fitting, you can also do that. Just connect the 1/2-inch tubing directly to the faucet adapter. Place your 1/2 tubing around the area where you wanted the water. Connect an appropriate barbed fittings whenever you wanted to branch the tubing. Just cut the tubing and connect the barbed fitting. It is hard to push the barbed fitting sometimes, especially if the weather is cold. The tubing doesn't expand quick. Unlike during hot weather, the tubing is softer, so it is easier to push in. You can secure your tubings or barbed fittings with a garden stake so it will stay where you want it to stay. To connect a small tubing going to your plant, connect a 1/4 tubing from the 1/2 tubing using a single barb connector for 1/4 inch tubing. Make a hole using this tubing hole punch. This is the single barbed fitting for 1/4 tubing. Connect one end of this barbed fitting from the 1/2 tubing by pushing it. Then, connect the other end with the 1/4 tubing. Lay the tubing flat on the ground going to your plant. Make sure you have the exact measurement before you cut the tubing. Connect the dripper on the tubing by pushing the smooth side towards the tubing. Dripper has different pressure. It comes with 0.5 GPH or 1 GPH. GPH means gallon per hour. This is how to close the end of the tubing using drip tubing end closure. This is how you will plug when you don't need the water line anymore. You can still put the water line back once you decide later. This is how to change the plug back with a water line. You just have to pull it and push the barb fitting into the main tubing. This is how you support the tubing going to water the plant. This stake will ensure you are watering the plant, not the weeds. I will summarize and show you all what you need to install the drip irrigation system, so you don't have to buy unnecessary things you don't need. I am not promoting any brand of product, but I advised you to use one product with all your supplies. It is because they will not fit very well if you use different products. I've done this mistake, so I don't want it to happen with you. I don't want you to waste money, which I did. The fittings are optional. You buy it if you need it. That's all for now. I hope you learned from my video. Press subscribe and share to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.